Vice President KLEF to bestow us with this valuable message.
Chief guest of today's event, Sri Rajkumar Garu, SP Guntur. Our guest of honor, Sri Chandrabose Garu. Our Vice Chancellor, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Deans and Directors present on the dais, faculty of the university, and my dear students, very good evening to one and all. I hope you guys had a lot of fun last 2 days along with a lot of learning, and I'm happy to see even after all the outside students left, most of you are still back here celebrating tonight also. Firstly, I want to thank Dr. LSS Reddy for giving a brief overview of the developments that happened in the university for the last 1 year, and also the futuristic goals and the plans that university has. I think you are all very lucky to have such great faculty here and administrators here in the university who are working 24/7 to actually bring this university up. We have plans to have more courses started in the coming academic year and years after that. I think it is very much required for Vijayawada today, because since it's placed now politically at the center of our state and also gaining national importance. Tonight, it is a celebration of culture. What society really is, only culture can show you. Primarily, we are celebrating creativity. Universities, colleges, schools, they can give you skills, but not creativity. I think each one of you might be wondering, what skills I got, what is my talent? I think creativity is something that comes out spontaneously. It's not something that comes by learning. You can learn how to paint, but you cannot become an artist if you don't have the creative skills. Creative people are the ones that actually say, this is what the society needs. All that we are looking at, the dresses that we are wearing, it is designed by someone else or made by someone else in a creative way. Even the ready-made dresses, someone has to design them, the colors, the prints, and the work on it. So creators have a very special place in society. They are the ones who actually define what society wants and what society, because being in the society, we don't really know what we really want. People who look at the society from outside are the ones who have this great ability to actually create things. If you come back to our culture, or ancient India, if you see the different art forms, the languages, they are all a reflection of great culture that's been there for the civilization itself. Everything that you want to express, you either say by words or you express by art forms. We have seen movies made by our Chalanchitra Club yesterday and today. They have a message embedded. And the dancers performing, they have a message embedded. These are all something that we use to give out our inner feelings, our thoughts, things that you want to express, something that you want to share. It is a unique ability, I would say, for humans to actually do this, because you don't find animals doing it. Coming back to you, I think with the skills that you have learned in your entire learning careers, you should start rethinking on how to do creative things. Whether you are an engineer or any other field you are in, you have to think, you have to try to do things differently. That is what is actually required. The variety is what is required. So that is what actually brings, it comes with a risk, but definitely variety is something that is always appreciated. To merge my talk with the theme of Summit, the last 2 days event, I think there is a lot of creative entrepreneurship that can be there in India. You have art forms, you can create businesses out of it. You should try to look into, filmmaking is one great example of how you create businesses out of art. I think you should all, along with technology, you should merge both culture and technology, put it in the right form and become cultural entrepreneurs. Once again, all the students who have been performing, it was a wonderful performance, I should say. For all the students who have won prizes for the last 2 days and also throughout the academic year, a very congratulations, and all of you a very good luck. Thank you.